How to reopen Instagram photo message. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn a hack on how we can reopen the Instagram photo message again and again. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first of all, the thing I want you to do is, let's say the person that's has sent me two photos here that I can only view once. So here, I'm just gonna tap on the first picture for now. And you can see when I close it, I can't watch it again. It goes into gray. So when I tap on it, I can't watch it again. So let's say the bottom photo, I want to watch that again. So for that, what I'm gonna do is just close the app and turn off my Wi-Fi. After turning off my Wi-Fi, I'm just gonna go and clear the cache of Instagram before opening that photo message. So I'm just gonna tap on this. But before that, I'm just gonna open the photo message after closing my Wi-Fi. I'm just gonna go here and tap on the photo message that my friend just sent me. So this is the photo message and you can see it has been removed. So what I'm gonna do is get back, and this time, before turning the Wi-Fi on, I'm just gonna clear the cache. I'm just gonna tap on the app info and here go to storage. After that, tap on clear cache and wait for a few seconds. After that, close this app. And here, now we're gonna open the Wi-Fi and go to Instagram. So I'm just gonna turn on the Wi-Fi and wait for the Wi-Fi to be connected. After it is connected, I'm just gonna get back to Instagram. So we're gonna get back to chat after that. After getting here, you can see the view photo option. Just tap on it, and that's how you basically reopen Instagram photo message again and again. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.